Definitely film the whole area. Gotta make sure you film yourself.
Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan here with Burnwood Bushcraft. Me and Floyd out here at Yadkin Memorial Park Lake. About to fish some. We've been fishing at the creek in town. Caught a little sunfish. He caught a little bitty crappie. So we saw, let's go to the lake. So we're out here on the dock, and storms all around us, raining. Hopefully it don't start pouring down on us because it's a long walk back to the car. But Floyd, he got some live bait. Yeah. So I got my new reel that I got last year in June. Been using it some this year. Never used it last year at all. But
there's a fishing line right there.
We got everything in here. We're prepared to catch and cook, just in case.
Yeah.
Got me swim bait on here. Let's go ahead and cast this out here one time. Oh, that thing got airborne, didn't it?
Yeah, that was good.
I'm almost out of line, yep. Floyd got him a little. What you got, a crappie?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
That one there might be big enough for you to keep.
Throw him in the cooler. No, we don't have a cooler.
Crappie. You can keep 8 inches or bigger. So 8 inches or longer.
Look at it.
You start right here.
Yep.
Fly it.
Bye, little guy. Gone. So, what are you using here?
Other things you have.
Oh, you caught him on one of the little minnows I gave you? Was just that?
Yep.
So you're not letting it go deep. You're not letting it go all the way to the bottom.
No. Probably about a foot. Mine might go about a foot below water, below the top.
Shit. Number 2. We be eating good.
Yeah.
After a few more, huh?
They're big enough to eat.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I got this. Floyd give me this little frog bait. Man, there's a huge bass. It keeps going under the dock. Every time I pull my lure out, he like swims off. Big fish under this dock. Yes, we got something.
There we go. Oh, got those damn catfish.
Yep.
Another damn crappie.
Another crappie. Oh, he jumped off. Man, I was trying to whip him, he just jumped. He was barely hooked. Got another one. What do we got here? Oh, he came off again. He was like barely hooked again. Well, rain's here to stay, it looks like. But I had a good time today. How about you, Floyd?
Yeah, had a pretty good day.
Yep, caught about 3, which is more than my normal.
More than normal.
But little fishing video for you guys today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Another crappie. Oh, he jumped off.